Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna do a little Halloween fun today with some watercolors, cause why not? So I'm gonna get my brushes sort of ready here. I think initially we're gonna be playing with a lot of black. Ooh, I didn't spray my paints. And we're gonna do a fun haunted house scene. Hopefully this works out right. I'm just trying to get my stuff all wet here and see what we can come up with tonight. So I'm going to start with getting some paint into my palette here. And don't want that big brush, I don't think, to start with. I think I'm going to start by doing some outlining. So I've got a really, really fine brush here. And I've got a basic sketch here for some of this. And so by just letting myself have a little license here to, and I don't mind if it looks sort of jankety, because haunted house, busted up, funky old house. I just want to get sort of the beginning lines in, and then I'll sort of fill in as I go. So this is going to take me a while, so I'll probably put on some music for you. And every now and then might comment in, but we're just gonna have a little fun and see what we can do to make this house come to life and give it a nice spooky neighborhood. So enjoy. everyone. So I looked at this for a while. I let it dry. I even pulled it off the blank and decided it's not spooky, beat up, old house enough. So we're going to play some more. That's definitely a little more spooky and run down looking. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and we'll have final results. Okay, this is mainly dry, so we're gonna do our final results. I am so glad that I spent the extra half an hour to add some extra features to make our house look a little more spooky. Gave us some ghostly friends, some more broken windows, a little beware sign, perked up our tombstones a little bit, fixed our clouds a little, darkened our bats. I think the little extra work just made it just a wee bit more spooky. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our special Halloween edition of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for all the links, and I hope you all are having a wonderful and spooky holiday season.